How to find UPI mandate on Google Pay. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can find UPI mandate on Google Pay. So how do you go about this? The first step is for you to move to launch your Google Pay application. First, after launching your Google Pay application, move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Then in the menu that is displayed, ensure you select wallet settings. On the wallet settings page, you'll see the option one-time mandates or mandates. Okay, for me, it's not been displayed because it is not allowed on my page. But if it's something allowed on your page, you will see the one-time mandates being displayed here. So as you can see that look for the once you can see one-time mandate or mandate, you would click on it and then you'll see a list of active mandates. Then look for the UPI mandate you want to check, and that way you'll be able to find it. So how do you find your UPI mandate? Like I said, launch your application. Into the top right corner, click on your profile icon, click on wallet settings, and then on the page locate one-time mandate or mandate, and then once you click on that, you'll see a list of active mandates. Then look for the UPI mandates you want to check. So I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.